Alright, this is Jason with the Local Locksmith Company. I'm in Allen Park, Michigan today, and I'm changing a storefront lock, and I'm going to show you how to take a mortise lock off the storefront. Alright, first off, to remove this lock, you have to pull these 3 screws that go in there, there, and there, and then you take this off. A lot of people use a pair of vise grips right out here and they end up breaking the lock, but then we just take this screw out right here, and if you take that screw out, this just spins out with your fingers. Okay, so now the lock is out, and that was that easy. So I'm going to pause this, I'm going to rekey the lock, and then we're going to put it back. Okay, back here at the door again. Now we're going to put this lock back on. Here's the lock taken out. Here's everything. I have to set it down for a second. Get everything organized. Alright, so the lock goes in there and threads in. We just got to get it so it's threaded right. As soon as you get it threaded right, well, we got a part missing. Hang on 1 second. I forgot the little spacer ring that goes on there. So we'll have to put the spacer back on. More worried about making a video than doing the job right sometimes, but it's right now, so you don't want it tight, that tight. You just turn it back to where it's loose. There's a little play there. Go back to the inside of the door, and the screw we want to turn is right in here. Having a hard time focusing. It's right in here. Anyways, it's a flathead, and I'm using a flat screwdriver, and they'll tell you it spins right now. And we'll get it so it doesn't spin. Set it down just for a second. Tighten it down all the way. Come back to the outside. And now the lock don't turn. Let's check the new key. And that one's done. That's how you take a mortise lock or storefront lock out of a storefront door without breaking it. You don't need vise grips. And then we'll put this cover back on. And there we go. How well you can see. But all of those screws are back in there. The lock's in place, and it works perfect.